The head of communication EEDC, Mr. Eze, was accompanied on the inspection visit by the head of safety and environment, Engineer Francis Iwu. At the Awka substation, installation of the 15 MVA transformer was ongoing. ABS equally spotted another 7.5 MVA transformer, which was one of the two 7.5 MVA transformers formerly there. One of the 7.5 MVA was also seen in the ABS injection substation, but the installation has not started as at the time of this report. Speaking after inspecting the installation work, Mr. Eze said installation was moving as expected, but for a little delay they had over the weekend. They would have finished installation and move over to soaking of the transformer. Mr. Eze said that in the next 2 days, the issue of shade loading of feeder lines will be a thing of the past, as there will be steady power supply.
The capacity of the transformer, which is what we are seeing here. We've invested millions of naira to make this come true, and we want to believe that our customers will appreciate this and in turn begin to support us by paying their bills, because that's the only way we can sustain this and be able to embark on some other capital intensive projects that will impact on the quality of service we render to customers.
On his part, Mr. Wu cautioned against building under high tension wires, which he said is very risky because, according to him, anything can go wrong and a lot of lives will be lost. Mr. Wu regretted that many people violated and are still violating power land rights of way by building all sorts of structures, and said planting high-rising trees in homes also affect high tension wires.
As much as they are trying to improve the power supply in Anambra State and Awka and environs, we also want our customers to be safety conscious. People that are building under high tension wires, that they should stop so. People that are doing illegal connection, people that are hooking on the lines, people that are carrying out illegal activities on the network, they should stop so, because in as much as they are disrupting the supply of electricity, they are also endangering their lives.
They later paid a visit to the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the ABS, Chief Uche Nwora, in his office at the station's corporate headquarters in Awka. In Awka, I am Ngozi Obileri for ABS News.